Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. It's really nice and enjoyable to spend time outdoors, especially in the warmer weather. But unfortunately, we all have to be careful about ticks and things that can bite us. This awesome insect spray, this is by 3 Bombs Organics, and this spray is such a natural spray that really allows you to be able to feel comfortable and confident being outside. So the spray is made with lots of really yummy smelling scents. It has things in it like rosemary and eucalyptus and citronella and all kinds of different scents that really smell wonderful when you spray it. I really like that the spray bottle is really easy to use, and it even has a lock feature so that you can keep it away from little hands and from overspraying. The spray really is nice and clean and clear, and it's easy to spray on whether it comes to your pets. I even like to put it on my outdoor furniture because I have seen ticks on my furniture, and you can use it in a way where it's not overwhelming in scent and it smells really good. I also really like the spray because it is not greasy at all. So as soon as you spray it, you can see that it sinks into your skin. The scent lingers a little bit, but overall it just provides a lot of protection when you're outside. I love spending time in my garden, but as soon as I go out there, the bugs find me really quickly. So being able to put a little bit of this spray on first before I go outside is really helpful so that I know I'm not going to get eaten alive by all those wonderful insects. If you're looking for a spray that makes you feel comfortable, is safe for your pets and kids, you definitely need to check this out. But that's just my point of view.